Hello.
Hello.
This is nice. Nice to get together.
So, introduce ourselves.
Yeah, I think so. And what we're all about and what finding your voice is about.
Yeah, great. Well, I'm Fiona.
And I'm Yvonne.
So, yes, we're going to talk about our new project, which is called Finding Your Voice. And Finding Your Voice came about really us working together, both coaches, and through coaching people, predominantly women, sort of very aware that sort of women sort of about confidence and about how they promote themselves. And so that's how Finding Your Voice came about how as women we feel sometimes that we haven't got a voice or we're not being heard, and especially in the workplace. So we wanted to run some workshops and sort of the background of coaching to support women to come along, have a little bit of space, a bit of time, and a bit of coaching in order to find their own voice and develop their confidence, develop their purpose. What is it they want to achieve? Have what was their potential? So that's what we're doing.
Yeah, we've got lots of exciting different subjects and things that can come up in certain situations that you might not quite know or recognize. And I think a lot of our content and our workshops will be able to help, and we can almost, last week when we did our launch, we discussed if something's happening and you tell us about it, we're pretty confident we could do a workshop on it as well. So we have our drop-in sessions that you can come along to that'll have different subjects. So yeah, look out for them each month through Eventbrite.
So if you're someone who maybe is feeling a bit stuck, I'm not quite sure where your career is going or in terms of work, or you feel you lack confidence, that you go to meetings and struggle to speak up, or you're going for that promotion, how do I go about achieving it? But also it's yeah, how some for a lot of people, me included, there's sort of times in my life where I just felt stuck. I didn't know what it is I wanted to do, but also how to go about asking for it, how to actually achieve it. And I think there was something around having the confidence to do that, and go out and get it. And there's also something around lack of confidence around bragging, sort of talking up your experience and your achievements. And because when we feel really uncomfortable to brag about ourselves and to we see it as boasting. So there's lots of things around that. And as Yvonne was saying, around we running these workshops, we're going to have a drop in an hour a month. So you can just drop in as and when you need to, and we'll be looking at different topics that interest people, and around how you go about finding your voice.
I think as well, the power of people when the workshops, we already found that from having a group of women together, sharing and having that confidence that if you're experiencing it, chances are someone else might be as well. And that power of it's not just me and here's how, I've dealt with it, therefore, this person can be supported as well through it.
Yeah, no, definitely. And as Yvonne said, we've had the launch. We had a really brilliant group of women come along, and just willing to share their thoughts, their experiences, and the other people in that group were very supportive. And it was just great to see, and that's why we want to continue with these workshops.
Yeah. So come along and enjoy what we can offer you, and hopefully we can create a really nice community from this project as well. And like Fiona said, follow-up coaching sessions are available, and we can support you individually through whatever you might be going through or need support with as well.
So if you are interested, we both have websites. So we'll put that at the end of this, and just. Again, on Eventbrite, so it's finding your voice, so we can find those events on Eventbrite. It said very relaxed, drop in as and when, and hopefully this time next year you where you want to be. You fulfilled your dreams and your potential, and you found your voice.
Absolutely. So we look forward to seeing you.